So I found a queen here. See that? So I'm gonna sit it aside like this, and I don't have to check for the queen on the next frame. So this one is, so we're ready to go. Let's get ready. See our driver today.
Bagong gihire na driver. Ano yan, kung ano to, Brudo?
Okay ra na. Aw hinoon mo kabalik ra man ta dayon. So see you at the bee yard. Smoker, pheromone, libre diri nga side. No? Okay ra na oy na. Pwede ra man duha ra mga nanggal niya. Isa diri struck, ikaw diri struck. Para di ka magsaka kanaog. Da, madaot ka.
Okay na po tiro ako.
Motokar na po naron kay ang chike wala ubas na.
Ani ni Mausan. Asa Mausan ni? Hopsan bay.
Hopsan bay balon. Sana mi ani katul ni kuha diri oh. Musig na ana oh. Oy, seat belt day I forgot. Make sure to do your seat belt. Samtang one day mamahaw day ko. Oh,
Kaya sa mali mong
bagel. Hello. Busy kayo oh, traffic kayo, dagong traffic.
Wala nagkalong mag-touch ka na.
Wala na, pero lista na lang din na siya, kasi schedule naman.
Wala pa rin na human?
Wala. Karoon, ugma, listan. Kay traffic ko. We're going for split. Lagi duha lang daw, napong isa nga, nganong duhaon daw, nga isa ra day guba. Tao di man to ingon rusty daw, rusty.
Double box na rin.
Double box na ni daan. Kami may namidan ni dire. So we're gonna split here.
Ano nag-trainer eh?
Bitaw no, may pagkadala tag trimmer bitaw.
Pag-kondisyon pa to.
Mabaday to na unsay tawag ana. Na oil change, unsay tawag ana.
Sa oil change eh. Biya ka ba?
Carburetor.
Okay.
Ha? Pwede patunga na lang para isara itong kuan.
Gani.
Up. Nakuha na kong face. Oy. Doon ka isa kuha manggod.
Ganda na pa dito na side.
Dapat ganit kuha na ni og box bang uban kay oh. Dagan na nag-fly. Oops. Oh, they're bringing in pollen now. Look at that. Bees are bringing in pollen. But, oh, there's lots. Nice. But that's not what we're here. We're gonna do the split. So, smokers are ready. Look at that. And the split. Oops. Nice. Kuha na mo ha?
Na-excluder ni. Tag na din queen.
Awa na mo. Kuha na sa rin side.
Hindi na rin bilin ng tag na ang queen. Uy, na din queen. Time.
So what I did, I just did that one like that. I did not even flip the lid. So this time I'm gonna check this one if the neighborhood. I'm gonna check this one if the queen is in the bottom, because that one is a good split there, you see. But my smoker's not working good. I'm gonna check the queen excluder, because sometimes the queen is on it, nothing. Shake in front, they're gonna come back there, right? Ha? So ibalik lang na. Kuhaan lang excluder. I'm gonna check if the queen is here, like this. Oops. So how do I know that the queen is here, not there? Like this. Because there is a fresh egg. Fresh egg on this one. Like here. On the open cells there. Yes. So I'm gonna put this back, and then I'll bring I'm gonna bring this one to the trap. Kanay mo dia wa na? So like this. So it's nice if you're not gonna touch the lid, because it's always tight.
Dia pun nak kepio. Oi, bigado.
And then this one is still very strong. So what I'm gonna do, put the lid on, plug, change the entrance block to big, because then screw that. That means to say that there was a split going there, or when. So did you put the pheromone already?
Yes, of course.
Okay, we'll see. Look. So, because this one is
Queenless, so put
queenless,
pheromone.
you
plug.
put the pheromone. Nice. And then they're gonna go out. We use small entrance. We're supposed to bring what you call it? Screen. Plastic screen to block the entrances, but we are short. The other guys brought it with them, and we have to split 200 plus. Unsa na ni?
Tignaya.
Gita na no ni LED.
Oh. Naaman rin yung queen.
Ang kanang LED.
Naaman rin. Oh.
Mao na ron. Another ano man ni, wala man ni andar ako ang smoker. Look for olok. Look for the hive that has the excluder like this. My smoker is not doing good. So another is flip it like this. See, very nice split. Look at that. Now for me not to flip the lid, I'm gonna check this one. Hopefully we're gonna hope that the queen is here. Okay. Smoke first. Not supposed to do like really lots of smoke, but this one is not working good. There. So I'm gonna get the excluder, check the excluder, check for the queen. The queen is not there, so shake it in front. Then look for the fresh eggs here. You don't have to look for the queen itself. You just have to look for the fresh egg. No, so it means to say that this one is the one that's gonna be brought as a split. Oh, sobrang manguli na. Yes, there's nothing here, so I'm gonna do it as a split. But the thing is, this one is not as strong. So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna put more brood in, but make sure that
Another.
that the queen. Okay, so I'll bring this. I'm gonna get a brood here first. Put it there, make it strong. More bees. I don't have a choice, but I'm gonna open the lid. Smoke. It's a very strong. Very strong. Like this. Lots of brood. Lots of bees. See, there's fresh eggs here. Fresh eggs. So the queen is on the top. So now I have to make sure that this one don't have the queen, because I'm gonna add it to the one that's moving. Okay, so this is good. Check, yeah. So I just have to make sure that, and then I took it from here, this one. So I'll do this so I don't damage the queen, and then I'll put this one at the end, like that. Right, see what's going on? Okay, so we're good. Put the entrance block or the lid and the entrance block. Right, so then do that, so we know that this one has been split, right? So he also got a split. So this is the easiest way to split. Well, I don't know for us it is. Okay, do this, then flip it like that. Check. Lots of bees. Smoke. And check if the queen is at the bottom. We really hope that it's always at the bottom, so we don't have to take the lid and make it loose and things like that. But for now, to clean the top bar like this, and make sure that there's enough space, that you're not gonna squeeze the queen. You're doing the outer part, and then do that. So it's lots of pollen already in their cells like this. might be that this one is the one that's gonna be taken, because there's no fresh eggs. It's only sealed brood. You can see sealed brood, and these one are pollen, so they're making sure that the brood, when they hatch, they have food with them. Nothing, so it's not as strong that I want it to be, so I'm gonna get more here. I'm gonna get some here and then bring this one, including the bottom board, but make sure that you leave the so, and make sure also that the pen will stay here, because we know that the queen is here. This is the age of the queen. The color coding. That put the pen, the entrance black, and then see, it's very strong. So I'm gonna look for the queen here on the lid. It might be on the lid. I'm gonna take one frame here that has brood and lots of bees. Wow, yeah. So I found a queen here. See that? So I'm gonna sit it aside like this, and I don't have to check for the queen on the next frame. So this one is getting sealed. Look at that, lots of bees, they're working on it like that. So I'm just gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it to the one that's being taken. And then I will put the queen back in here. So she's still here. As you can see, she's still here. So I have to make sure that the way you put it, you don't damage the queen. So I'm gonna do what's going on with our truck now? That's the same truck that I used when I was moving this, and it did not start for me. So now this one has feed on it, so usually you put the feed at the very end. So min ana ra gyud na iya basin ra kanong katong gasolina na puna. So I clean the side with wax, put it like this. So now you can close it. Where is the clamp? I have to feed. So if there was feed, put the feed back on. Shake the bees. Do that. So it means to say that it has been split. The split was taken. The split was taken there. Next, it's going a split here too. So this one, I'm gonna do this one. What happened with my? Wow! Hala ka dya. Look under. Lots of bees, lots of bees. But I'm hoping the queen will be here, so I don't have to take this. and leave it here. You can see that there's still brood in there. The bees are like going down because I smoke it, but you can see brood. There's a bit brood here, but I'm gonna check if the queen is there. Take it from the outside frame where there's no bees that can be damaged. I can't see. I have my sunglasses. I can't see the eggs, but by just looking at it, you know that the queen is not here. So I'll bring this one, but I'm gonna take more brood on that side because we want it to be strong split. We want it to be a strong split, so take off the entrance block. Put it there, like that. I'm gonna get so I'm gonna put another bottom board here. Oh, this is heavy one. Very nice wood. Entrance block. My smoker is not working for me. Check for the queen on the lid. For sure, like the queen is here, but you just have to be careful when you pull the frame. You don't damage the queen. See, I got stung there. This is the outer part. Just mostly feed. My smoker is acting up. It doesn't have a smoke. So you know already that the queen is here because fresh eggs. So I'm not gonna bring that one, but I'll bring the one that's already capped like this. There's already a cap brood. So just make sure that the queen is not here. So sometimes you just do like this, shake it a bit, so the queen will move if she's on this frame, but not here. So I'm just gonna put it this box. Another one. Hopefully the queen is not here. It's mostly fresh eggs. I want the one that's already sealed. Because if you are gonna transfer mostly fresh eggs and not cap, they're gonna easily make a queen cell. They're gonna make a queen cell. this side. Put it here. So that's makes it a really strong split. Look at that. So I'm gonna put this back in. So make sure that you put it like the laying part or the open broadness should be in the middle. Most feed and things like that, you can put it on the side. But prioritize the good frame, brood frame on the middle, like in the middle of the box. Oh, look at that. There's not even an open brood here. Here is feed, but you know what? If I was not careful, the queen is at the bottom of this frame. Where is she now? Where are you? Here. You see it? It's here. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. So I'm just gonna pick her. And then put it in the middle. So I don't damage her, right? So you can just shove it here, this one inside, like that. Because you know that the queen is in the middle now. So put the lid back in on that. Then bring this one to the truck. To the truck. Look at my split. That's a very strong split, right? Gray have the pheromone with him, so once it's on the truck he can put the pheromone, but my is not working. Napa dira? Another one he said to make sure that the lid and the kaliho kukuha na ni balik sa tumoy anak kayo para i-splitan na siya na diri nga side. Okay, here this one. See this one here, you can see lots of bees on this one. I'm gonna smoke this and check here. The queen is here. Just shake that thing there. No. So the queen is not here again. Just clean the top bar so we can easily get the queen smoothly. Smoothly. No, queen is not here. Put that back. I'm gonna put brood, another brood. Additional brood too. I'm gonna get something out of this. The pin. For the pin is this smoker is just crappy smoker. Take the one that's outside this. Put the same eggs in this one. Why? Oh, I got the queen here. See this queen? So I'm gonna put it away so I can just grab one away from the other. I'll just grab one frame that's good. See, look at that, it's mostly sealed, this one. So I'm not gonna look for the queen because I know where the queen is. I set it aside on the other side. So I'm gonna put this back in like that. So this one is like open, good brood frame. So, and there's lots of pollen there too. So I'm gonna put that back in there so the queen can lay. The lid. So I'm gonna bring this to the truck, but our truck is kind of acting up. So that's how we split. We do our split this time. Look at that truck. This is the same truck that I had when we were moving bees, and it's not starting again. So see, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 splits out of this doubles. So we only split the strong ones. So if you have questions how we did it, let us know. For those Filipinos that wants to be going into foreign countries and work with a commercial beekeeping, if you want more ideas and you have any questions, let us know. We will answer. We will try to answer if we know the answer. To answer your question. For now, we're gonna go to the next bee yard, but I'm not gonna videotape it because it's very long already, so you know already how we split. The other guys are on, like, they have their own route, because we have to split 209 splits today and today. No, not today but today. Oh yeah, naunsa naman ni Ron? Mauna ni Ron. So at least for those who are still processing their papers and gonna be working to a commercial beekeeper, watch our videos so you have an idea on how we do it, on how commercial beekeeping in Canada or in other countries. So you will have a good idea how it's gonna go. But for now, thank you for watching, and hopefully you subscribe our channel. Bye until to the next video.